Formed by UCSC Professor Ted Warburton in the fall of 2004, Dance Theater Telematica is a research group of digital art and new media graduate students dedicated to exploring dance and theater from the context of the new arts praxis. Last January, the group began work on a telematic performance called Lubricious Transfer, an experiment in interdisciplinary study at the intersection of both creative and research practices. It focused on experimental forms of movement, applications in digital arts and new media, and critical analysis of the arts in society. Every student in the class learned about contact improvisation dance, collaborative choreography, Audre Lorde's genre of biomythography, how to operate an Internet 2 transmission with V-brick technology, and much more. Obviously, this was no ordinary effort to broadcast a dance performance on the Internet. Aside from being the first Internet 2 telematic performance at UCSC, this collaborative work of art between NYU and UCSC involved about 75 artists, dancers, choreographers, writers, sound and visual artists, digital technologists, researchers, professors, administrators, and technicians. Learning began with movement theory and creating choreography here at UCSC, but the group also conducted weekly Internet 2 video conferences with NYU using V-brick technology to develop every aspect of a live telematic performance together. One interesting aspect of the project was a component called biomythographies. Every student wrote one for themselves, and then 10 were developed into polished performances. You may wonder about the title, Lubricious Transfer. It was inspired by the ways that electricity transmits the expressive nature of the human form. In fact, the performance was a culmination of an interdisciplinary transfer of every kind of juicy art and skill in the talent pool. Lubricious Transfer was not merely the outcome of great distance education to promote cultural and educational exchange. It also generated a work of pure artistic expression, enabled by Internet 2, to broadcast the artist's vision to the world. This project highlights the phenomenal power that artists will have in the future as they are enabled by technology to begin new kinds of dialogue that will reach every corner of the earth. For the Dance Theater Telematica research group, Lubricious Transfer was only the first step. The group's telematic theater research will extend into the spring of 2006, going forward with multidisciplinary collaborative research at UCSC and with other major institutions. Work is underway to study the aspects of the relationship between performance and technology, including video motion capture, 3D, virtual reality, telematic broadcast, collaborative art practices, and much more. For more information, visit telematica.ucsc.edu.